Title holder Randy Phillips has confirmed his participation at this weekend's Max Brown Sports Festival to be held at Swept Away in the Grill starting on Saturday. Phillips is the men's Open champion for tennis and should again stand favorite for the $250,000 winner's purse. But while Phillips will be defending his title, entries have been slow, although organizer Max Brown expects an increase before the opening day.
As you know, Jamaicans like to take stuff a bit slower than normal. But yes, for the last couple of days, the entry's coming in slowly. I can't wait to see what tomorrow looks like.
But while the men will be present, the women's open singles category will not be contested due to a lack of entries.
The female players over the years and for the last few tournaments in Jamaica, the entry's been very, very low. And that broke my heart when I found out that, unfortunately, this year we need to eliminate the women's draw. And again, I can't wait to see the tennis in Jamaica for the females got bigger and for the next generation to come.
And the other sporting disciplines to be contested are pickleball and squash.